Sorry, but you know when you take a swig of water too fast, or any liquid for that matter. What's that coming? Is it a VIA? Is it a AMT? Because I don't like the name EXO. Not coming fast. It's a VIA. Jesus Christ. Good to see the VIA trains rolling east and west. See many Bud cars lately, I guess, because they're all getting rebuilt and maintained and all that shit. Looks like things are going more back to normal, because I just filmed a VIA that was next to a freight on the other track about 15 minutes ago. Oh, dual F40, nice. Bye. Oh, Mr. CN Police. Right when the train's coming. Isn't that something? Oh, look at this. 2 of them. Wow. Whoa, that's major. Never seen 2 of them down here. That's when you know there's a lot of infractions going on here, eh? People crossing that bridge over there. Train hoppers probably. Who the fuck knows? Look at that. I only ever got 1 CN cop responding, and that was like really like the last second. That was on Côte de Liesse. Oh, the dust, that's gonna make for some fucking nice footage. Is it a freight? Is it a VIA? I had a feeling it was gonna be a VIA. Decent. Sorry if I'm weaving, I'm like standing on a part of a sidewalk, I guess you could say. Cool, that's a cool effect. Thanks a lot, boys, from the CN Police. Very nice. Very spooky and beautiful at the same time. Give them a thumbs up, salute. Of course, I don't think that dust would help at all the lens of my camera, eh? Oh, the bugs are coming out. Ooh, a Bud car. I haven't seen one in a while. Nice. Bud have 2. With 2 Genesis. Lovely. Fucking mosquitoes are coming out, those bastards. Useless insects. Cool. CN cops are looking for somebody who's hitching a ride for free. Yeah, right. Oh, there's a fucking crazy amount of insects now. Why? Also because there's no wind. Look at that, eh? They're right there. Anyway, hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Adios. Take care. Hasta luego.